you. So Abby told us that she was getting us a box because, you know, all of us ambassadors was like, we need a box for your stuff. And she got us a box, y'all. So my latest order, she sent it in my box, and this box is like the perfect shade of black. Let me see if I can give y'all like true color here with no light. Like, it's the perfect shade. And it's so cute. I love that. So good. So let's get into the goodies, y'all. So if you guys don't know, I am a brand ambassador. I did link a video when I first got like my PR box from them, and it was litty, okay? It was litty, and I can't be stopped since. So yeah. One thing I love is these freaking envelopes, yo. Like, this color is beautiful. It's a beautiful burgundy, like maroon. Oh, it's just so pretty. But let's get into what we got, okay? So make sure you guys like anything. Y'all use my code JOIA15 to save you some coins, okay? Okay. Here, we're gonna turn it this way. So if you guys don't know, these are A5 sized sheets that you get. Here is a thank you. Abby and Shaquanda is the owners. They are sisters, black owned. Abby is military. So listen, support our shops. You hear me? All right, so this release, y'all, I don't even know. But the first girl, she is giving me such a vibe. Like, I need to figure out where I can use her, like, ASAP. Because she is such a vibe with these damn thigh-high boots. Like, sis, my goodness. I should have got two of these. My goodness. I like, let me find some thigh-high boots that I can get to fit me. Y'all, over, okay? Over. So that's my first style. And here's my second one. She's super cute with that bright yellow. I love yellow. Oh, yellow has been doing such a thing for me. So that's second girl, and I love her cut. This one, okay, I don't even know. This may be some extras. I'm not even sure. It could be, y'all. I don't know. What I'm going to do is, in the description box, I'm going to leave down all of the things that I got. And if there's a link to it, I'm going to link it. And if it's not linked down below, it was a freebie from the owners. But this one right here, y'all, look at her. I needed her last year for all of my wedding planning stuff. Like, it was such a struggle to find dolls that was wearing just white. And she is so cute. Like, I would wear my hair like that. I don't necessarily wear chokers, but I sure would. Like, this whole outfit is just chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Food shop. Yeah, I know this definitely I did not order. So, yep, this is cute. I love that. I love it in all the different colors. Even the top one, all of them are cut so you can use them. So that's great. Some scripts. Me time. Absolutely. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Work. Oh, this is a cute font. I like this. I like this work font. That's pretty. Ooh, appointments too. I like this one too. All the damn appointments I got. Shoot. Laundry day. Yes, love this too. Super cute. And to do. Bam. I love it. Okay. So this first sheet, I believe this came out in a previous release, but I don't think I shopped. I had to get this because my girls, Crystal and Jasmine, are getting married. And I wanted to have something to mark that in my planner for them. And I love that this was included in their shop. Like, I absolutely love it. So that's the first sheet. I had to get this one. I kept sleeping. I think I may have gotten one more of them. It's terrible, but I had to get like this yellow. Y'all listen, I'm not even gonna talk because y'all already know. So then we also got some functional items. So she came out with 3 colors. I believe it's the black, it was red, and brown. Yes. So I'll show you guys each of them separately, but this is like a functional page where you can write on them. And you want to use something that's a little bit more permanent to avoid smudging, but I have not had any problems with it. Like, the paper is so freaking slow. Oh my God. Like, I know how it is, like when you just like to rub stuff. Like, that's how I be feeling about sticker paper, y'all. It's terrible. So that was the black. Here is the red. And then here is the brown. And then you got solid black. And this, listen, I'm going to do this damn spread, but this is going to come in handy real soon. Then we got some of these girls. And listen, sis too, like this little outfit. Like, what? Let me bring it close so you guys can see all the goodness. Because I'm in love. Okay, love this one. I love this. I love this. And this is like speaking to me. I'm going to keep it cute because I don't want to cry. But I'll bring it closer so you guys can see. And then we got this one, like mind my business in my heels, okay? Like, sis looks super sexy, like she getting ready for her date. Like, This one, oh my gosh, I love this. This is so freaking cute. She reminds me of Haley from Chloe and Haley. Like, tell me if y'all see what I see, because that's what I see. But I love this. I love the yellow. I love the sunflowers. Super cute. Hey, got sis again. Boom, bam, thank you, ma'am. Oh, love this one. So freaking cute. Love it. Look at the cassettes. Like, yo, take me back to the days of recording your songs off the radio with those. Like, let me know if you feel me here, because listen. All right, so then we got some baddie quotes here. Oh, you ain't never been with a baddie. I never need your validation. I know my worth and what I deserve. I don't dictate that price. Bam. I upgrade my own life is personal. I don't blend in. Honestly, it's me. I win. Boom, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Then I got this. This is like another like dashboard idea. So just like the other ones with the feet, with just the shoes and the leg. Yeah, I got this because, again, yep. And then here's this one in the other complexion. So super cute. As well as this one. So yes, y'all. All my items, all my goodies, all the things. Now, Joia, you gonna start using all of the things? Yes, I am. I'm gonna start using all of the things. I promise I am. But I just can't help it. And let me tell y'all, the ambassadors be hyped over these drops. So if y'all be wanting to get in, you better get in like at drop time. They normally do releases at, what is it, 9 a.m. Central, I believe it is. So just go ahead and mark your calendars. Make sure you follow them on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, because I'll definitely let you guys know when stuff is getting ready to drop, when it's getting ready to get released. Like, I'll let you know. But that there is the entire haul from Verse Planning. Again, make sure you use my code Joia15 to save you 15% off of your purchase. And let me tell you how you can get same day shipping most times. Don't tell me I ain't warn you guys. And if you're a true planner girl like me, hint, hint, something is coming. So get ready. But again, here is my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching today's haul. I absolutely love it. And I can't wait to use the things. So if you guys like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below your favorite item out of this haul and let me know what have you recently bought from Verse Planning. And I'm going to chat with y'all later. Bye.